Understand your business's calling history in a granular view. This gives you valuable insight that can be used to make improvements and increase efficiency. View the total number of calls across a date range of your choice, and toggle between daily, weekly, or monthly views to see call trends and totals by inbound, outbound, and internal categories. Delve deeper into calls by viewing the total number of call minutes by category. Viewing calls by SIP response allows you to understand the status of these calls. Calls may have a zero duration for numerous reasons. For example, the call was missed, the line was busy, or the wrong number was dialed. This interactive report allows you to click into each category to see the individual calls related to the codes, offering more granular data on the date, source URI, destination URI, duration, and cost of calls. This is particularly useful if you want more comprehensive data on why calls were unsuccessful, and can be especially helpful in organizations with high call volumes. Not only is this useful for IT teams, but it can also benefit marketing, contact center, and sales teams to understand campaign performances and make improvements. Understand your call concurrency by looking at the peak channel usage by months, weeks, or days to see key trends. And see calls by location in one simple view. Users can also make use of the top 10 quick view charts. Get a deeper insight into calling minutes by navigating to call logs. This allows you to view calls by direction, by SIP response, and then dive deeper into call minutes and call costs. Calls by direction shows your inbound, outbound, and internal call totals, and by percentage. Filter by destination number or by source. There is also a shortcut here to calls by SIP response. Call minutes reporting allows you to chart minutes by source or destination number between specific date ranges. This report is especially useful for businesses who, for example, have inbound toll-free numbers and wish to chart the volume and how it relates to the timing of sales or advertising campaigns. Call costs show you how much you are spending on numbers. The destination filter allows you to see calling costs and trends for specific numbers. Delve deeper in the reporting tool to see comprehensive number reports. Top 10 most used ranges shows you the number ranges that have the most numbers assigned in your tenant. Percentages show the capacity of assigned numbers within the range. Exhausted number ranges highlights the number ranges that have reached their usage threshold. View the usage percentage, the threshold percentage, and quickly take action with our shortcuts. Number by assignment state total. This is a useful view to see how many numbers are reserved, assigned or unassigned, and their change over time. Total numbers by number type. This gives you a high-level overview of the different suppliers providing your numbers. Total numbers by country shows the total numbers managed in each country across all number types. Total numbers by range shows the total phone number count for each range. These are broken down further into total assigned number count, unassigned number count, and reserved number count. Total numbers by tag shows the totals of assigned, unassigned, and reserved numbers by specific tags. Total numbers by location shows your total phone number availability for each custom location, for example, California HQ. Call cost reports show you your phone bill, and at a high level, where your call costs are coming from and how much. Total cost by band shows percentages and cost breakdowns. For example, you can view your total costs on international calls or to fixed line numbers. Below, you can view call costs by daily, weekly, or monthly views to see trends over time and spend by direction. This is particularly useful if you are a seasonal business or are running specific campaigns. Combined, these reports give you a more comprehensive understanding of how your numbers are being used and where your spend is coming from. Using our simple snapshots, you can analyze your numbers and take action to avoid outage, reduce costs, and increase business productivity. Want to learn more? Book a demo today at callroute.com.